So, before we tackle the seat bracket that you're sitting there, or seeing there, and getting it in the car, and making sure the seat sits 100%, giveaway. We're halfway there to 1,000. So, from now to 1,000, if you've commented and are subscribed, now that's commented on the Couples Therapy playlist only. So, 240SX videos, pretty much. You'll be automatically entered to win. We're putting together the package right now. It's pretty cool. I hope you all enjoy it. And the stuff that is going to be given away, minus the stickers, those all reproduce. But the other stuff being given away will never be produced again. So, don't forget, comment on the videos. The more you comment, the more you're entered. I think that's how their algorithm thingy works. If not, I'll write my own. So, continue on with the video. So I played well and nice with the floor pans last episode. Today we're probably not going to. More sitting in it, more kind of measuring of how this car sits to how I have the seat in the FRS. Because FRS you can adjust stuff in it. So I measured, did some kind of meandering around with where my eyesight is through the windshield, which is about where I want this car. I like the way it is. This one I'm going to sit just a tidbit higher in it, and that is just to kind of compensate Marina's height so that she's not way low, because if I put myself low in the seat like I really like, then she's going to be too low, and we may end up doing a booster in there, which they're pretty easy to make. It's just a little harder or medium hard foam you can throw in the seat and hop on, but then she won't have the bolster. So I don't exactly know how we're going to tackle that difference. It probably won't be a big deal the way I'm going to set up the seat. I'm going to set it up where it's a little bit taller than what I want, but I think when she sits in it, it'll be a little bit low for her, but it's not like it'll be perfect for me and stupid low for her. So I think it'll be perfect, but the back of the seat really needs to come down. It needs to come down probably, I don't know, as far as I can get it really, and still get it to mount right. There's still a good amount, like inch or two of play in those brackets that I can cut out and foster some room, I guess, but the hammer's gonna have to do. So let's get the seat out, get it dismantled, get the bracket off of it, dismantle the bracket again, and then, you know, do all that. Here's the true test. See if I got this. So I beat the living hell out of the floor. I brought the floor down to the frame rail. Obviously I can't go any further than that. The front is way down. The rear is way down. I'll measure, when it comes time, I'll measure versus the driver's side, because the driver and passenger were at the same height when we started, and I brought them stupidly down. But let's just see. I don't know if you guys can see this. 0.2 degrees, 0.2 degrees, or 0 degree, 0 degree. Now the rake should be around 5, 4.8, 5.0. Okay, we're 0.2. No, stupid ads. We are 0.2 degrees off any given direction from here to here and here to here. 0.2 degrees. I can live with that. I can live with it forever. So next step is to take these brackets, the brackets that were on here, and probably make all brand new ones. Yeah, I'm gonna have to make all brand new ones. Let's see how that one fits. Maybe I can reuse this one. I think this one I can. Oh yeah, barely. So we can reuse it all. All I have to do is chop out the this little arm thing and just straighten up around it. I'll make it look pretty, just like I did the front ones. I don't even know if I showed you the front ones once I made them look pretty. I don't think I did. I did have to seam cut them to stagger them down a little bit, which is no problem. I'll fuse all that back in. I'll have to use a little bit of filler, but I got 16th rod, which is what I've been using for all this. And I think I'm crossing my fingers that that 5 degree rake is enough. If it's not, then I will have to space the front up. All that work to lower it, and I'm going to end up having to space it up. I did bring down the rear probably 2 inches, I think, and the front about an inch. So that should give me 5 degree rake. Last time I was at 0 degree rake, the last time I put it in here. So the 5 degree rake towards the back should give that nice, more planted feel. We're all tacked together. Let's just say this better work. Because if it doesn't work, the only other option, it's not an option I want to do, but technically it would be an option, is to make the mounts right off the sliders themselves. I don't like that. I really don't want to do that, considering you're only going to get half an inch. So, this better work. Yeah, that was 12 inches there, and now we're sitting at 7 inches. Yeah, we're sitting at 7 inches, so that's a lot. I may bring the front up, just because it still feels too slopey forward, but it feels nice though. I mean, once you get a 4-point harness, you're not going anywhere, so but it feels real nice.
Yeah, but how much of a forward slope?
It's not a forward slope. I have a 5 degree back slope. It's just, when you sit in it, it kind of feels like you got a forward slope, but you don't.
Yeah.
Because the seat itself probably has about a 10 degree slope. And I think once you're in the car, gripped and pulled back to the seat, it'll be fine. Alright, see if I can get this right. The intro probably looks like I'm on like PC, no, what, speed or something, I don't know. I'm like all energetic and stuff. I have a hole in my hoodie. That's because I had to pee. It's rainy all day, made me have to pee a lot. At least out here. I haven't been out here that long today. But whatever. It's done. The bracket's done. Of course it'll need paint, but I'm not finished. We're not doing finish work right now. My idea is to try to get the interior done so we can seal it and the car will actually start looking halfway decent. That's going to require a lot of work. For now, we're done. I'm just out of time this week. As you noticed, I am starting to kind of cinch the episodes down to 2 a week because I think they're better content when I could cut out some of the filler and have a little bit more substance. So I'm still going to show you all the times I mess up. I'm still going to show you all the successes, the majority of which are probably mess ups first, but still, it's working really well. Things are actually moving forward. The driver's side though, you're going to hate me on that episode. I'm going to hate me on that episode, so that hopefully will be the next one. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget the little contest thingy. I'm excited about it. I'm working on the artwork right now. So, have a good one. Marina will never come up with a saying, so stop holding your breath.
Well, folks, it's time to kick it old school.